Your app can't locate the Isskin Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before we get started with Isskin Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This DLL file is a specialized library used by the Inno Setup installer to provide custom graphical skins. It allows developers to create visually themed installation menus that match the branding of their software or games. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This issue indicates a structural problem within the local Inno Setup installation. Reinstall the latest version of Inno Setup from the official site to restore the Isskin Library DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregister the Isskin library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Keep in mind that the Isskin Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with the Isskin Library and PC Health. If the Isskin Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.